What's on, guys? This is Peter from Paicc Forex Limited, and today I'm with the weekly performance overview of price action indices, commodities and crypto by PFX. And not only in our Paicc VIP but also in our free channel we have sent the 7 trades, and so therefore we have the same result in our Paicc VIP and free. So in a total of 9,040 plus pips, and in individually we have gained 4,520 plus pips. So these 7 trades were sent in both of our VIP and free channel. So let me show you one by one. So this is the US30 trade which was forwarded from our Paicc VIP channel, and we closed the trade in our free channel with 2,230 plus pips. Another US30 we have closed it with 1,010 plus pips. The GBPJPY or GBPJPY trade we have closed it with 500 plus pips. We took a loss on gold, and the NOS 100 trade 600 pips, and we took another 2 gold positions from which we have gained a total of 220 plus pips. So this was it, guys, and I guess you have an idea that what we actually do in VIP, because these trades were sent in Paicc free channel with full confidence, and you can see the results here, right? So if you want to join Paicc VIP, and also we have many other options to join our VIP for absolutely free, do contact at Paicc_support, and our 24/7 client experience team is always there to help you with any queries. Till then, see you in any other update.